Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you add signature to your Gmail account. This video is going to be very brief and it's been long. I made a post and YouTube is requiring me to post more often so that they do not demonetize my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to your YouTube video, and that's all we're going to do. So this is just a newly created Gmail account I created from my company. So what we are going to do is, first you go to settings, you come to all settings, then you scroll down and come over to signature. You can see it here, and in this option you have the ability to create as many signatures as possible. So for example, the first signature we're going to create is for the chairman and CEO, which is myself. So I'm going to create it chairman's signature. So any of my staff that is using the same account can also create their own signature and they use it. So first of all, you have to create the name of the signature, then we'll design the signature. So this is the chairman's signature, and what should my signature be? First of all, you might wonder what is a signature. I'm going to show you an example of a signature. Signature can be something like this. What usually comes at the bottom of all your mails, the company name, the person sending the mail, and all that. Those are what we call signature. For example, I received this mail and you see the whole of this message can be a signature, so that whatever our mail is sending, that automatically goes with the mail is sending. So that is what a signature is. So we are trying to create one, and we are going to follow the pattern that I've always been using, so that I don't need to repeat it multiple times, which is going to be my name, Joshua Norman, my title, chairman, CEO. Then I might put my WhatsApp number, so that's in case any of my clients wants to reach out to me. WhatsApp. So you can decorate this as much as possible. You can even add an image if you want. For example, I can add the company logo or whatever you want. You click over Drive, you click on upload this image, you go to your file and you upload the image that you want. And as soon as the image has been uploaded, you can resize the image to fit what you want. We click on allow so that everybody can see the image. You can resize it to fit what you want. So I like to use the medium size. Good. So Novitec Global Limited. So after that is done, you can choose if you want all your mail should always go with the chairman's signature. But if you click no signature, that means whenever you want to send a mail, you have to select which signature to use. For example, since I do not have any other staff that will be using this particular mail, so it's going to always be the chairman's signature. Then after that is done, you click save changes. As soon as that is done, you are done with the whole process. So let's say I want to send a mail, for example, and as you can see, automatically my signature comes. So I can send a mail to anybody and it's going to come with my signature. You can customize the signature the way you want, and it's going to do the job. So that's how you can create signature for your Gmail address. I'm going to be creating a lot of simple videos like this. If you like them, I don't need much comments, just like the video so that YouTube can know that at least is doing well. That'll be all. See you in the next video.